Okay, bulldozer looking good, 1-3.
Right there, 1-3, you're looking good too, man. I was trying to get Witch Doctor's attention around there, but it looks like I still got your attention. Hey, 1-3, good to hear out there on the band. 1-3, bulldozer, get off.
Check it out, bulldozer. When you come blasting in like that, I need to respond. Looking good, 1-3 in Islands.
Right there, 1-3, good to hear out there making the grip on my lip. I've seen a couple of videos out there. See, you got that stuff going on there, 1-3, bulldozer Australia, got off.
Yeah, check on that. I gotta get your email or whatever, and I'll send you the link.
Yeah, I know where you are, man. Don't worry about that, 1-3. I got you. Hey, 1-3, I got you. Don't worry. I know what channel you're on in the YouTube field there, man. 1-3, bulldozer, got down.
Yeah, check on that. I got the Dr. Jekyll spelled real funky. And yeah, you guys looking good. I'll go roll this thing this evening. I got some time to burn, so I'm just gonna play some radio tonight.
Yeah, so I like your motocross videos with you. What is it, the buck stops here? Hey, 1-3, you got that motocross bike there riding through the islands there, bro.
Yeah, check on that. I gotta put more videos up. There's some real good ones, some good follies. They got some funny stuff. I'm gonna put together one of all crashing.
Alright there, 1-3. I just check on you later, man. Hey, 1-3. The cruise mobile station in the city down under. Take care of your Yamaha, mate. Hey, 1-3, bulldozer, got down.
Yeah, check on that. Check on that. Yeah, we're gonna that channel got a little bit of motorcycles and a little bit of everything. Beer drinking, CV talking, and dirt bike riding.
Yeah, I've seen that dirt bike, man. Yep, still showing the buck. Where's it, the motocross buck there, bro?
Yeah, I was too cheap. I was too cheap to buy stickers, so I just spray painted the buck stops here.
Yeah, check on that. Yeah, I've seen that bike, man. Man, you go over the wrong jump, it'll buck you off too there, man. I know the deal, man. You take one easy, Tesla, and riding that two-wheeler there through the bush. 1-3, bulldozer got off.
Okay, bulldozer, like it says on the bike, the buck stops here. All right, you have a good night, and we'll be checking in later.
Right there, 1-3, I got someone dropping 95s out there. I don't know where it's coming from, but you know it goes big rough on the receive. If you take them on easy there, 1-3, have fun in the sun on that two-wheeler, bulldozer got off.
Okay, let's see if we can clear right through that. Let's see if we can clear right through that. Hello, bulldozer, 1-3, aloha.
Oh, that last thing is alright. Hey, 1-3, that last 1-3, man. You can't go there, you can't make gangbusters, 1-3. Feel no pain, no strain. Mr. Worldwide 1-3, the buck stops here. Brutal!
The buck stops here, check on that. 1-3, see you.
I see you too, mate. Alright, 1-3, I just been bagging back up on this now. Put my feet up in this old rocking chair down under the 1-3. Have a nice eyes to come. Hey, right down the road, that fucking thing, come on. Take care, be safe on a motorcycle, man. Yeah, boy, with that gold.
Okay, bulldozer. 750. Ooh, good signal.
Oh man, Black Donna wanna get in there. Black Donna wanna get in there, man. I didn't hear 750, but it could have been. I didn't hear him, but Black Donna wanna get in there, right? For the show.
Yeah, I gotta check the tape. I think that was you, Black Diamond. I'm getting all mixed up, man. But yeah, you're looking good right now.
I'm looking better, man. I must be standing in front of you if I've been looking good, man. And okay to just mess up your radio, 1-3. Oh, 1-3, now just put a bit of confusion up in your radio. Hello, Mr. Worldwide 1-3, bulldozer, got off.
Hey, bulldozer, man. I couldn't tell what Black Diamond was saying. He was saying something about, I hope he didn't take that looking good the wrong way, and then you just came blasting in.
Joke, man. Just mucking around there. Nothing serious. I just said I'm looking so good that when I stand in front of the mirror, I break it there, 10-4.
Okay, Black Diamond, yeah, I do that with cameras too, man. They try to take my picture and the camera goes out.
Hey, you got a guy rolling Hey, 1-3, I know who looks. Hey, 1-3, you got a guy rolling there, 10-4. bulldozer, the supermodel, low profile and styling, looking at your radio. 1, 2, bulldozer. Might be between the keys, I'm not too sure, but 1, 3, you got a gate roll.
And those, you got to see this thing. It's neck and neck. It's neck and neck. It's going back and forth. Yes, Black Diamond, I got a gate going, so it'll be interesting. You can see what I hear and see what I see. Not the best of quality, but it'll do the trick. The 1, 3.
1, 3, where do we need to go for that gate? Where do we need to go for that gate there, 10-4? 1, 3, ain't no big deal. I just hang up this key when I want, man. Push the torque station. This is a press the torque, push the torque, hump it, bump it, dump it. Hey, 1, 3, the world-class bulldozer got all the way down.
Yep, it just pushed the talk. I think Diamond was asking for the website. Go on 750 thing and you can link it over. Mine is Dr. Jekyll 808, but I spelled it some funky way. I think I was drunk when I made the account. It's Dr. Jekyll 808, but it's a weird spelling.
1, 2, Dr. Jekyll 808. All right, man. I'll look for it there. I'm not the best at finding these things, but I'll have a bit of a Captain Cook on it there. Ain't no big deal. 1, 3, they're going to learn how to use a computer. 1, 3, bulldozer got down.
Hey, Bulldozer, you gotta be nice, man. Alright, Bulldozer, 1, 3.
Hey, 1, 3, Black computer stuff now. Once they brought you away from turning that dumb fucking thing on, man, then they'll just have to work out how to get out of Windows or something. 1, 3, bulldozer with his PC station got down.
He said they gotta get into Windows or get out of Windows. Must be something with a computer with Windows, but anyway. We're gonna... I wonder if we can upload this thing now. We better not. These things are slow. Anyway, you guys all looking good. The gate, the video will be interesting. You can see guys going in and out and switching left and right and up and down, but it's all in fun. 1, 3 over here, holding this camera steady. Aloha.
Well, I'll tell you what there, 1, 3. I don't know what you're running or what you be doing, man, but me, you just sure I'm smoking, man. Hey, 1, 3, you got me like, man, a built, but that's what you be coming in like there, breaker. Big sound on the sunny. Let it go, let it go, let it go.
Man, it's rough. It's rough. When you guys are all keying up, it's rough. And unfortunately, whoever unkeys first, I hear the other guy. So I heard Dozer saying, "Let it go, let it go." Oh boy, my throat. I got a cold going on, so I can't go that low. Let it go.
Yeah, well, I heard him. I heard him say it too, because I got off the queue earlier. 1, 3, Black Diamond. Let it go. Now he can do it. I'll give it to him to do it there. 1, 3, Black Diamond. We got Debbie Dozer there that dumped his stuff like a man or some big legend. 1, 3, that's great, KBC, man. He used to do a bit of education. Hey, 1, 3, that's great, KBC, and get up on the end of the Roger. 1, 3, bulldozer, got up.
Got up. Hey, you gotta watch out now. You guys can get real long-winded. That's why you get things real hot. You don't want anything to overheat. 1, 3 out.
It's alright there, 1, 3, man. Hey, 1, 3, I don't gotta run a bad running hot, man. Hey, 1, 3, I got no issues with running hot. I don't get hot under the collar. I don't get
Let it go. Oh well. Yeah, I guess some stuff runs good under pressure. You know, it gets nice and hot. Maybe it runs good when it's hot. But anyway, all right. Let's keep this gate going and see what comes up next.
Roger, Black Diamond, 1, 3, Black Diamond. Hey, 1, 3, Black Diamond, man. Be coming on your radio where you can get it. Well, Black Diamond, here I go.
Okay, Black Diamond, there you went. There you came. Looking good.
We call you Mr. Hey, 1 for the money. 1, 2, 2 goes. Let me know.
Okay, Bulldozer, that was a good one. Yeah, I heard someone when you unkeyed, but you know what? You saw that dirt bike video. I got one side with the buck stops here, I think that other side, I got to put 1 for the money, 2 for the show.
I'll finish it off for him too. I'll finish the show off for him too there. 1, 3, no need to waste about it.
Okay, Black Diamond. Black Diamond, you did finish it off. 1, 3.
On them, they're going to do their, hey, 1, 3, you can hear it on the gate. Black Diamond, break, boom, down, get guaranteed. Hey, 1, 3, I can't hear you when he's on the gate. I hope I can hear myself on your gate. I'll see ya.
Yeah, Diamond, you hear it, man. You hear it. You hear it on this gate. Coming out good, looking good right now. Mother Nature must be right over your house. 1, 3.
1, 3, I appreciate it. I appreciate what you've been doing there, having the gate rolling. All right, there, 1, 3, Black Diamond back out. Big bad squid getting down.
Okay. Yeah, Black Diamond, you kind of came in at that one. You started out on a weak side, and you just got stronger and stronger towards the end. That's how it went. 1, 3.
Bulldozer, the buck stops here. I'm going to do a great big old beard back wheelie, man. 1, 3, what's my proper wheelie on their lips? 1, 2, down, 1 wheel, I break back.
The buck stops here. The buck does stop there. Bulldozer, that was you on that one. With the buck stops here. Bulldozer, 1, 3.
I appreciate the radio check. Hey, man, I better just get more reflex here. Hey, 1, 3, Bulldozer got down.
Okay, Bulldozer. Yeah, I'm gonna go see how much more room I got in this camera. I'm gonna go cut this gate out, and we'll be back. We'll come on this one. We'll go on to 1, 1. We'll go back and forth, and we'll find the fun. 1, 3. We're gonna shut this thing down for a little bit. Aloha.
Alright, 1, 3, so we're gonna shut it down and check it. Black Diamond, 1, 3. Black Diamond, that's funny out there. Alright, man, I'll be getting back out. 1, 3, Bulldozer, get down.
Okay, Bulldozer, Black Diamond. Woo! You guys will see the gate. Aloha, we'll be back.
Hey, man, you better give him some, he's got a throat problem, man. He's been have you got some, hey, 1, 3, local boy, watch me go. Hey, what's up there, local? Hey, how you going there, 729, Bulldozer, good dog. Man, you got that fuel fuel down. Hey, look, you got that fuel fuel down there, boy. Oh, man, I'll chuck it in the mix. Hey, I'll chuck another spanner in the works. Chuck a spanner in the works. Hey, no two ways about it, man. Black Diamond chucking a spanner. I'm back out. Right there, local, your friend out there want to talk to you. Hey, local boy, your friend out there want to talk to you. Hey, local boy, if someone want to talk to you out there, break. Well, that a local boy talk to you. Hey, local boy, your Diamond want to say hello too. Hey, local Diamond want to say hello too. Local boy, Bulldozer, got that? Man, Machine Radio, getting Alright, we'll check it